Good morning, children. Welcome back to our EVS class. So, in the last video, we have talked about the chapter from market to home, and in this chapter, we had the explanation about the family of Vaishali, his father, and the family, how they all the members are involved in doing one work, that is the just decorating the thela or the this cart of her father. How the vegetables are all arranged on one cart since morning, since 3 o'clock. They all used to work together. Even the younger brother is also involved in doing all the work. Now, from this part, we have left out. Now, look at the clocks given below. Write what you do and what Vaishali does at the time which the clocks are showing. Now, the very first clock that it has been shown, that 3 o'clock, they used to wake up, Vaishali. And what you do 3 o'clock, you have to write. Since, okay, the morning is almost 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, what they used to do, and here it was 12 o'clock. Okay, 12 o'clock night, Vaishali used to sleep. Okay, now from where do you get vegetable? From your home. Who brings the vegetables? Very good question. Hope in every house nowadays we used to bring. Papa जब office से आते होंगे, might be he used to bring, might be your mother used to go and buy it from the near market or from the mall, or must be some vendor used to come to take by the cart, and then mama used to take the fresh vegetables from him. So these are all the things that we can get vegetables. Now some fun with vegetables. Okay, here is an activity for you all. Some fun with the vegetables. The next time when you get okra, bhindi. Now bhindi at home, भिंडी वी कैन से ओकरा ऑल्सो चिल्ड्रन. भिंडी को हम ओकरा नाम से भी बुला सकते हैं एट होम. लुक एट देम केयरफुली. आर ऑल ऑफ देम द सेम साइज? नाउ यू हैव टू मेंशन कि सारी भिंडी की साइज़ क्या एक होती है? यस, माय चिल्ड्रन कैन आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन दैट सारी भिंडी एक साइज़ की तो बिल्कुल नहीं होती. कोई छोटी होती है, कोई बहुत लंबी सी होती है, कोई मोटी होती है. नाउ find the longest and the shortest one, measure them. Then this activity is for you all कि पापा अगर भिंडी घर में ला रहे हैं ओकरा, तो you have to do this activity. Now let's move this activity. Seema's mother has brought some fruits and vegetables. सीमा की मम्मी ने क्या लिया है मार्केट से? फ्रूट्स भी लेके आ गई हैं और वेजिटेबल्स भी लेके आ गई हैं. Can you find them in this picture? Color them and write their name alongside. Okay. Now this beautiful activity is for you all. इसमें कुछ fruits भी हैं और vegetables भी हैं. You all have to color it and you have to write the names of the fruits and the vegetables. Okay, now this activity is for you all to enjoy. Now see the next activity. Now given here is a list of vegetables and fruits. Which of these will spoil easier, which will stay for some days? Now children, you all have to go on with the experience, और you all have to discuss with your mama कि कौन सी सब्ज़ी ज़्यादा जल्दी चलती है, ज़्यादा दिनों तक हम रख सकते हैं, या हमें बहुत कोई सब्ज़ी ऐसी या कोई फ्रूट ऐसा होता है जिसे हमें फ़ौरन ही यूज़ में लाना पड़ता है, और या तो कोई ऐसा वेजिटेबल है जिसे हम 3-4 दिन तक रख के भी खा सकते हैं. यू कैन ऐड मोर नेम इन दिस लिस्ट. नाउ just see, we have 2 categories over here. Now the first one, fruit and vegetables that spoil quickly, the pink one. Okay, and the blue one, fruits and vegetables that can stay for some days, जो कि थोड़े दिन तक हम रख सकते हैं. Like the very first, we can do few of the examples are here: spinach, chico, cucumber, potato, pineapple, grapes, banana, gourd, ginger, tomato, onion, pear and cabbage. So we can do few of the, for example, few of this exercise. Fruit and vegetables that spoil quickly, बहुत जल्दी ख़राब हो जाते हैं. Yes, the very first name spinach. Spinach, पालक हमें बहुत जल्दी, साग पालक बहुत जल्दी बनाना होता है, क्योंकि अगर हम इसको रखेंगे ज़्यादा दिनों तक तो उसकी पत्तियाँ काली हो जाएंगी और वो ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स फिर किसी काम की नहीं रहेगी. Then the name is potato. Yes, we can save potato for some days. Banana, no, not more than 1 day. Tomatoes can be kept in the fridge more than 2 days. Okay, onion we can save for few of the days, 5 to 6 days. Pineapple also, ginger also we can save. Grapes not more than 1 or 2 days. Okay, pineapple yes we can keep. Cucumber also we can keep. So this is all the list. You all have to do it in your book work. I'll be sending you the answers. You have to complete your book work. Now, some of these fruits and vegetables are smooth to touch. Smooth means जब हम इसको टच करते हैं तो हमें बहुत ही प्यारा चिकना चिकना सा लगता है. While some are rough, किसी किसी की स्किन हमें रफ लगती है, हमारे हाथों को चुभती है. So from the list above, put the names in the correct column. Now the same vegetables and fruits are here with the blue color. It has been written. We have to put it in the category of smooth one and the rough one. For example, pineapple. Pineapple skin is all rough. We can put it in the rough column. For example, tomato. The skin of the tomatoes are really very smooth, so we can put it in the smooth column. So this is how you are going to do this exercise. Okay, children. Now, which vegetable do you find the heaviest to carry? Okay, which vegetables? Yes, of course, pumpkin. Name and draw its picture in your notebook. Okay, later on you can do this answer. You can draw it in your rough copy. Which is the lightest fruit and vegetable you have eaten? सबसे हल्का फल और सब्जी आपने कौन सी खाई है? Write its name and draw it in your notebook. We can do this activity later on in our when you will get your copies after correction. Write names of 3 vegetables which do not have seeds. Now here 3 columns are there. हमें 3 seeds के नाम लिखने हैं 3 vegetables में जिसमें कि बीज नहीं होती, seeds नहीं होती. Now fill in the table given below. You can add 3 more names. Okay, apple, banana, potato. कितने किलो, color, length, weight and price. So this is for you all activity. You have to go on. Apple, उसका color आप बताएंगे red. उसकी लेंथ, उसका वेट कितना है, हाफ किलो अगर आप ले रहे हैं तो हाउ मच प्राइस यू आर गिविंग. यू कैन आस्क योर फादर और मदर. Talk with the vegetable seller in your area. Ask the following question. Okay, again the activity is for you all, very interesting. If you have a vendor or the seller just coming to sell the vegetables with your mother, with your father, you can have a word with them. उसका नाम पूछ सकते हैं, ये कार्ड वो कब तैयार करता है, उसका घर कहाँ है, how many children. These are all the small things you can ask your vegetable seller. Who all stay with the vegetables cart or sit on the shop. कार्ट का अगर वो खाना खा रहा होता है तो कार्ट के पास कौन बैठा होता है, और what vegetables do they sell, कौन कौन से vegetables वो बेचते हैं, किस टाइम वो अपना काम स्टार्ट करते हैं, कब अपने vegetables कार्ट को सेट करते हैं, and what is the time they sleep, for how many hours in a day do they work, कितने आवर्स वो काम करते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, आस्क देम अबाउट 3 vegetables दैट दे सेल. Vegetable 1, vegetable 2 and vegetable 3. Name of the vegetable, the price of the vegetable, what does it come from, where does it come from, कहाँ से आता है, किधर से मिलता है, how much of the vegetable do they buy at one time, in which month does the vegetable usually come. जैसे spinach है, for example spinach कौन से month में आता है, कैसे आता है. So these are all the informations you are going to write in this table. I think this is the last page of this chapter. Hope you all have enjoyed the wonderful world of fruits and vegetables. Okay, so I'll be sending you the answer also children, or in this only. you have to complete your book work, and the exercises, that is your own activity, you have to do it by your own. Like this coloring one, you have to do it. Like the activity, you have a word with the seller, then you can do this, otherwise leave this activity. Okay, now this is all for this video. We will meet you in the next video with the new chapter. Okay children, till then be happy and be safe.